All right, so now we're going to look at going the other way from a repeating decimal back to a fraction. Now we're going to start with something simple, which we know the answer to. So 0.3 recurring, we know that's a third. So if we do this right, we should get it come back as a third. So I'm going to write this as 0.3333 dot dot dot. All right, and we're going to call that x, and we're going to find out what x is. So now what I want to do is come up with another decimal expansion that when I subtract these or delete this in this line of decimals. So if I think about this 10 lots of x, 10 lots of that's going to be 3.3333 dot 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 dot. Now we can see if I minus these off each other, these two decimal parts will annihilate. So if I say that 10x minus x, I'm going to get this minus this, and I'm just going to have 3. Now I've got something that I can work with that will give me my answer. And so it's 9x equals 3, or x equals 3 over 9, which we can simplify to 1/3. We got it right. All right, let's try a slightly more difficult one now that we get the basic idea. What if I had, I don't know, 2.393939 repeated? Okay, so firstly, this 2 here, a bit awkward, it's not going to, it's not repeated. Secondly, if I times this by 10, I'm going to have everything out by 1. So if I did 10x, I'm going to have 23.9393, and notice they don't line up nicely. So what I want to do here is times by 100, because that will make them all line up nicely. 39 point, and then I'm going to have 393939, and now you can see that these decimals all line up. I can do a subtraction, and 100x minus x equals, now if I minus these two, I'm going to have 239 minus my 2, and all the decimal parts will delete. So 237 equals 99x. So x equals 237 over 99. Now, if I really wanted to, I could, I guess, write that as 2 and 39/99ths. And I can even simplify both of these, both top and bottom divided by 3, so I get 2 and 13 over 33 in this case. And that's our general approach for all of these. Some of them, if I had something that was a bit messier, maybe x equals 0.239, you might want to start by doing 10x to turn it into this form, and then 1000x to have the decimals all line up. So you might want to times by something to start with to get the repeating bit starting at the decimal point, and then you can modify it to delete it to get rid of all the decimals. But that's our approach. We find, a multiple of 10 that we can times x by to get it so that our all decimals line up. Notice when we're doing this, we're going to have x. If we were trying to turn this one back, we'd have x, and then we'd have to do like 1,000,000 x to get them all be lined up again when we do the minus and make it all cancel. All right, thank you.